Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a Kimbap from K-pop Demon Hunters. I have my husband and brother-in-law to slay Kimbap together. So I'll tell you what to get first. Usually in the fridge, there's a radish and then uong for the Kimbap. So just screenshot it and then just show it to the staff so they'll find it for you. I'll get the smallest one. Then there should be crab meat. They're not actually crabs, but like imitation crab meat. This time I'll get the small one as well. Yeah, get the Korean one, okay? Screenshot it and then show it to the staff. You need a seaweed sheet. So get the seaweed. Most important, okay? So if you go to the frozen section, you can find this fish cakes. You don't need this much, but like there's no small ones. Alright, cameraman. So we hurried back home. So start off with cooking the rice because that takes most time. I'm letting my brother-in-law watch the K-pop Demon Hunters while I'm getting the ingredients ready. I'm preparing the ingredients that needs to be cooked first because they need to cool down before I start using them. So here I'm whisking 5 eggs and cooking them into egg garnish or pancake and cut them into strips. Now I'm cutting the fish cakes into strips, but you don't have to use the scissors like me. And then stir fry it until it turns brown. And now cut the sausages and stir fry them as well until it turns brown. Now you have to get the carrots cut into strips, but it's kind of difficult because the carrots are hard. So I'm using the peeler, and then with a little bit of salt, you have to stir fry them. While they are cooling down, I'm cutting the cucumbers into strips. Just make sure to remove the seed part because that adds extra moisture to the kimbap, which makes the kimbap fragile and it'll break down. Now all my ingredients are ready. If the pickled radish tastes too salty for you, you can rinse it and drain it before you use it. And this is me dancing my little soda pop. Another thing I like about kimbap is very colorful. Look at it, so pretty. Rice is ready, but you have to cool it down a little bit. And this part is totally optional. You can season the rice with the vinegar, salt, and sugar mixture. You know, similar to sushi rice. I usually skip this part because all the ingredients are already like salty and sweet. So mix it well and pour it over the rice until you get the taste you like. Definitely more flavorful if you do this, and it lasts longer before it goes bad. Now I'm ready to roll! 김밥 같은 것도 있지만 저는 이번에 쓰지 않겠습니다. Now get your gloves ready and place the seaweed on the clean surface. Grab a handful of rice, about the size of your fist. Starting from the edge closer to you, cover the 2/3 of the seaweed with rice. Take a pinch of rice and we're gonna use it as a seal on the opposite end of the seaweed. Now place all the ingredients in the middle of the rice, like so. And I'm tidying it up so that it's easier to roll later. So now it's time to wrap everything up, but I tell people to fold it first, not roll. Let me tell you why. Just like you saw, the ingredients will only escape if you try to just roll it. So this is how I do it. First, take the edge close to you to the end of the rice. Like this. Don't let go of it now because it's not yet sealed.
So now using the 4 fingers pressed against the merged line to seal. They're stuck together very well now. It looks like a pocket holding the ingredients all together.
And now you roll the rest of the seaweed. Make sure you don't press the middle because if you press in the middle, everything will spill out from the side. You're almost there, so you don't want that to happen. So use my method to prevent kimbap disaster. To finish it up, use sesame oil on top of the kimbap to make it taste better and shiny. Your kimbap is finally ready! Of course, it's gonna taste amazing, but let's run some taste test. 김치 어때? 아, 김밥? 그래, 오빠 해. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe. And comment down below if you have any question about the Korean culture mentioned in the K-pop Demon Hunters. 장갑을 껴주세요.
찍고 있다는
응. 장갑을 껴준 다음에 Where's my script? Where's my phone? Give me my phone. Grab the handful of rice and then yeah, like a handful. Or yeah, you can use the spatula thing too, but the important thing is spread it 2/3 of the seaweed. Can you grab more of this to this edge? 여기 take
여기
해가지고
있는
move it.
Okay.
Okay. 그리고 grab a pinch of the rice and then spread it over here.
여기?
Yes. On the edge. That's gonna act as a seal. Good. 그리고 put all the grab all the ingredients like.
Okay.
And then
이거 계란하고.
yes. You need two because it's short. Egg I broke it, so you also need to do the same. Yes, like that. Perfect.
Okay.
And then what you should do is 왜냐면 이게 사실 여기로 좀 더 가야 되거든요. 근데 it's okay. No, it's okay. I think you can do it. So grab the edge and then fold it first. Don't roll it. Fold it and then make the edge meet here. Yes, perfect. 맞아. Yes, make it like a pocket. Perfect. And then you just have to roll it. But when you roll it, grab the block the side of it because or else it's gonna all pop out. Yes, and then roll. 되게 잘하는데? 해보자.
나보다 잘해?
응. 인스트럭션이 좋아서. Because I practiced my instruction. That's
that was very clear instructions.
Thank you.
That was
Yes.
very clear.
And then so if you cut it now, it will only break. So you have to wait until the seaweed soak up the moisture, and then if you make like this, if you do like this, I'll give you the oil, and then if you can, yes, spread it over it. Yes, perfect. And then in like 2 minutes, it will get soft, and you can cut them and enjoy. Thank you.